Like I told you before, guys, I told you that I'm going to recharge this Bntrust, which I've done. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. If you are just joining for the first time, please like and share this video. Thank you very much. I have successfully recharged this Bntrust, and I'm about to trade with it now for you guys to see how it works. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not your advisor. There is link on the description. If you want to join, you can join. I will put link on the description for you to sign up. So right now, I've successfully recharged 15 USDT, and my account is funded. So, and I will put more, but not now, maybe tomorrow. I will put more to see. I want to take advantage of this particular website now that it lasts. Let me see if I can use this platform to recover some of my money before they start misbehaving like other platforms. Thank you very much. So now I want to trade. I want to trade with this particular platform. Yes, I click on trade. As you can see right now, what I'm having now is 15 USDT here. That is 15. And if you want to trade, you have to click this particular place. Almost same thing with COTP. Almost same thing with COTP. Then right now, I click on get an order. As you can see, it's searching like COTP. As you can see, okay, now everything is almost the same. Area, you can see the area. You can see the area here. Agency, you can see the agency here. Market price, you can see the market price here. Trading price, you can see the trading price here. Order amount, you can see it here, 15.85 USDT. So I want to sell it right now. When I sell it, I will know when it will return. When it returns, I will know the income that I will have. I'm just trying now to see how it works. So if you want to join too, if you want to try out like me, you will see link on the description for you to try out. Thank you very much and God bless you. Let me sell now. I have to click on this sell now right now for us to see what will happen. Selling successfully. Okay. I sold. See, I was having 11 USDT here. Then I sold at I was having 15 USDT here, 15 here. I was having 15 USDT here, 15 right here. Then I sold, and I sold it at 11.8. Then now the money has disappeared. It has come in processing. Now no one. Let me try another order to see what will happen. Okay, the total asset must be less than 5. Okay, my asset is not up to again. Okay, that is it for now. So in case, okay, look at my balance here. Look at the available balance. Okay, when it returns, we'll see how much it's going to give me. Then if you want to recharge, you come to this user here. As you can see, there is user this thing. You can see user right here. User by the, this is the user here. Once you come to this user, you click on top up. Once you click on top up, it will open. Then enter the amount of USDT that you want to recharge here. Maybe let me say 100 or 50. Let me say 100. Then you click on submit. When you click on submit, it will bring something like this. Then you will have to copy the address. Just click on this place and copy the address. Then after copying the address, you have to recharge within this particular minute, within 30 minutes. Please complete the payment within 30 minutes. You understand? Once you complete the payment, your account will be funded. Note, the minimum top-up amount is 9. If you top up, look at where I'm reading right now. This is the place that I'm reading. I'm sorry. I'm coming. This is the place that I want to read now. This place now. So the minimum top-up amount is 9. If you top up amount in less than the minimum, in less than the minimum amount, it will not be recharged for you and no refund will be given. So if you want to recharge, make sure it is more than 9 USDT when you want to recharge. That is it for now. So let me see when the other returns are. Let me see how much I will be getting. Thank you very much and God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.